Hey classmate and tutor, my name is Lucerito Montaña Gamboa. As we can see through the critical analysis of the readings in Colombia, the National Education Ministry, through the National Bilingual Program, privileges the teaching of English as a foreign language. The emphasis here is very clear. The reference is only to English and the objective is competitive in international markets, although there is an interesting reference to cultural openness, decision that undermines indigenous languages and offers foreign languages. It should be noted that the 1991 Political Constitution in Article 7 recognizes the languages of the indigenous communities as co-official with Spanish and us as a multi-ethnic and multicultural nation, which in reality only goes so far. Since the action of the states as more oriented toward citizens being competitive and being able to benefit materially and economically from the mastery of two languages of work position, begin raising the perspectives of the enrichment of the own. On the other hand, the generalized view of cultural enrichment in that it will result without the effort of contact with other languages or culture, as well as the lack of clear policies in the institution regarding cultural aspects, result in confusion and improvisation between teachers in their daily practice, ending in practice that trivialize biculturalism to acts of song of dance. The school is an intercultural space, therefore education is intercultural. From this perspective, you learn to look at the cultural linguistic diversity of each language and its culture as a treasure. The teacher must reaffirm and revalidate himself in his culture, depend the comment of the people in order to be a good intercultural educator. It is the teacher's responsibility to develop in students the ability to recognize themselves and others as equal persons in dignity and rights, and at the same time difference in their culture and languages to achieve an intercultural dialogue.